video, we're diving into how to transform your knowledge of ClickUp into a training business that actually pays. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions and build new income streams. You'll learn why companies are eager to pay for ClickUp training, how to structure your services, and the multiple ways that you can package and sell your expertise. So if you're passionate about productivity and teaching, then this video will show you how to profit from those skills. Why training services? Remote work and hybrid teams have exploded in the last few years. More businesses are turning to digital project management tools like ClickUp, but many don't know how to implement these systems effectively. That gap is an opportunity. Now, while some companies might hire a consultant to set everything up for them, many simply want to learn how to do it themselves. They're willing to pay someone who can teach them how to organize tasks, manage workflows, and automate repetitive processes. That someone could be you. Understanding the demand for ClickUp training. Businesses are adopting ClickUp fast. ClickUp's all-in-one platform has become a favorite of teams looking to consolidate their work. Marketing agencies use it to track campaigns, development teams to manage sprints, and freelancers to juggle client projects. Despite its power, the learning curve can be a bit steep. When a team tries to figure it out on their own, they often create messy workspaces, redundant tasks, and inconsistent processes. The pain of misusing the tool drives them to seek help. Why teams prefer training over consulting? Consultants often do the work for the client, then hand over a finished workspace. Training, however, empowers clients to manage things themselves. Many business owners value that independence. They want to become self-sufficient, so they invest in someone who can teach them best practices. Training also tends to cost less than full-service consulting, making it accessible to small and medium-sized businesses. Finally, teaching is a scalable business model. You can reach multiple students at once, reuse materials, and build recurring revenue. Positioning yourself as a ClickUp trainer. You don't need decades of experience to become a trainer, but you do need deep knowledge and a passion for helping others learn. Here's how to lay the groundwork. Master the tool. Before teaching others, become an expert. Explore advanced features like automations, dashboards, goals, custom fields, and integrations. Complete ClickUp's learning paths and consider taking the certification exam. Build a portfolio. Create sample workspaces or volunteer to set up ClickUp for a friend's business. Take screenshots and note the challenges you solved. These examples will help you demonstrate your credibility. Define your audience. Decide who you want to serve. Are you targeting small business owners, marketing teams, creative agencies, or remote freelancers? Each audience has unique pain points. Tailor your curriculum accordingly. Develop teaching skills. Knowing a tool doesn't automatically make you a good teacher. Learn basic instructional design. Structure lessons with clear objectives, examples, hands-on practices, and questions. Use simple language and analogies. Consider taking a course in teaching or adult learning principles. Set up your business. Create a business entity, decide on pricing models, and set up contracts. You can invest in a website or landing page, email marketing software, and a booking or course hosting platform. Designing training services. So training can take many forms. So let's explore options from one-on-one sessions to full-blown courses. One-on-one coaching. Personal coaching is ideal for freelancers or small teams who need targeted help. Sessions usually last 1 to 2 hours, either in person or via video conferencing. Here's how to structure them. Assessment. Start with a discovery call to understand the client's current workflow, pain points, and goals. Ask them to share screenshots or invite you into their workspace. Customized agenda. Based on their needs, plan topics such as task organization, building automations, or creating dashboards. Provide a written outline before the session so they know what to expect. Interactive session. Use screen sharing to demonstrate features. Then have the client do it themselves while you guide. Encourage questions and adapt to their learning space. Follow up. After the session, send a summary with action items, links to additional resources, and optional practice exercises. Offer a discounted rate for future sessions to encourage continued learning. Rates for personalized coaching vary widely, but many trainers charge $100 to $200 per hour. Clients appreciate the flexibility and personal attention. Group workshops. Workshops allow you to teach multiple students at once, increasing your earnings per hour. You can organize workshops for specific industries, for example, ClickUp for a marketing team, or general topics like automate your workflow with ClickUp automations. So here's a framework. Choose a format. Decide whether it's an in-person event, a live webinar, or a hybrid. In-person events can command higher prices because of the personal interaction. Webinars can also reach a global audience. Set learning objectives. Define what participants will achieve. Example objectives. Create a project plan in ClickUp. Set up automations that assign tasks and due dates automatically, or build dashboards to track KPIs. Break down content. Divide the workshop into digestible sections. Introduction, feature demos, hands-on activities, and a Q&A. Use examples relevant to the audience's industry. Provide materials. Offer printed or downloadable workbooks, checklists, and cheat sheets. Include links to templates that they can import into their own ClickUp workspaces. Engage participants. Encourage attendees to work in their own ClickUp accounts during the session. Use breakout rooms or small groups for collaborative tasks. Provide time for questions and feedback. Offer a replay. Record the workshop and make it available for those who couldn't attend or need to review. Consider including lifetime access as part of the ticket price. Pricing for group workshops can range from $50 per seat for a basic webinar to $500 per seat for specialized interactive workshops. If you host an in-person event, factor in venue costs and provide refreshments to enhance the experience. Online courses. Courses are highly scalable. You create the content once, host it on a platform, and sell it repeatedly. Here's how to build a successful online course. Pick a core topic. Focus on a specific outcome, like ClickUp Masterclass for team leaders or building advanced automations. Narrowing the scope helps learners know exactly what they'll get. Outline your curriculum. Use modules and lessons. Each module should build on the previous one, moving from basic concepts to advanced techniques. For example, Module 1, Introduction and Navigation. Module 2, Structuring Spaces, Folders, Lists, and Tasks. Module 3, Custom Fields, Tags, and Statuses. Module 4, Automation and Integration. Module 5, Dashboards, Reporting, and Goals. Create high-quality content. Record video lessons using screen capture software and clear audio. Keep videos short, 5 to 15 minutes, so students can absorb information. Supplement with slides, infographics, and downloadable templates. Add assessments. So include quizzes or small projects to check comprehension. Provide feedback and explanations for correct answers. This helps students apply what they've learned. Use a course platform. Choose a platform like Teachable, Thinkific, Gumroad, or Kajabi. These platforms handle hosting, payment processing, and student management. Some allow you to drip content over time and offer membership plans. Market your course. Launch with a pre-sale period to gauge interest. Offer early bird discounts. Use email marketing, social media, webinars, and partnerships with influencers to reach your target audience. Courses can be priced from anywhere from $99 to $499 or more, depending on depth, length, and included support. Some creators offer premium packages with live Q&A sessions or one-on-one coaching for a higher price, membership communities, and ongoing support. Now, another model is a membership community. So students pay a monthly or annual fee for access to training materials, live Q&A sessions, and a supportive community. This creates recurring revenue and fosters loyalty. Here's how to structure a membership. Exclusive content. Offer mini courses, deep dives into specific features, and early access to new tutorials. Community forum. Host a private community on a platform like Circle or Slack. Encourage members to share wins, challenges, and tips. Facilitate discussions and respond to questions. Live calls. Schedule regular live sessions for open Q&A, hot seat coaching, or case study reviews. Members value the ability to get direct feedback. Resource library. Maintain a library of templates, checklists, automation recipes, and guides. Update it regularly to keep members engaged. Pricing for membership communities ranges from $15 to $50 per month. The key, though, is to provide ongoing value through fresh content and active engagement. Packaging and pricing strategies. One of the biggest questions new trainers have is how to price their services. Here are some approaches. Hourly, straightforward and flexible, suitable for coaching and ad hoc training sessions. The rate depends on your experience and market demand. Package pricing. Offer bundles like a 3-session coaching package or a workshop plus a set of templates. Packages provide value and simplify your sales process. Tiered pricing. Create basic, standard, and premium packages. For example, basic might include access to a course. Standard includes the course plus group coaching. Premium includes everything plus one-on-one sessions. Subscription. For membership models, recurring fees provide predictable income and encourage you to continue delivering value over time. Corporate rates. Charge higher rates for large organizations needing customized customized training or multiple seats. Provide volume discounts if they purchase seats in bulk. Regardless of the model, be transparent about what's included. Outline deliverables, support terms, and refund policies. Test different price points and adjust based on demand and feedback. Marketing your training services. Even the best training program won't sell itself. Use multiple channels to attract and convert potential students. Build a personal brand. Share your journey. Document your experience learning ClickUp and building your training business. Use behind-the-scenes content to humanize your brand. Publish content. Write blog posts and LinkedIn articles. Record short video tips for social media, and host a podcast about productivity. Consistently provide value to build authority. Engage with communities. Join Facebook groups, Slack channels, and forums for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and remote teams. Answer questions, offer insights, and let people know that you provide training services. Leverage partnerships. Collaborate with other service providers who serve your target audience. For example, partner with a virtual assistant agency or a digital marketing coach. Offer to deliver a training session for their clients at a discounted rate in exchange for referrals. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering a lead magnet, such as a free ClickUp setup checklist or a mini course, and send regular newsletters with tips, success stories, and training announcements. Use automated sequences to nurture new subscribers and lead them toward purchasing your courses or services. Testimonials and case studies. Collect testimonials from coaching clients and workshop participants. Ask them to share specific results like saving hours each week or improving team communication. Present these stories on your website and in marketing materials. Real examples build trust and show the tangible impact of your training. So ClickUp training services are a powerful way to monetize your expertise. Businesses crave efficient workflows and self-sufficiency. By positioning yourself as a trainer, you help clients gain confidence in their systems while building a flexible and scalable business for yourself. So whether you choose one-on-one coaching, group workshops, online courses, membership communities, or a blend of all four, the opportunities are vast. The key is to start. Master the platform. Define your audience. Design a clear curriculum and market your services consistently. Over time, your reputation will grow and so will your income. So if you're passionate about productivity and you enjoy teaching others, there's no better time to launch a ClickUp training business. So if you want to get started with ClickUp, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.